Welcome back, everybody.
Hi.
And we are drawing Tag the Rhino from
Hey Duggee!
Here we go, Izzy. So, this is gonna be
So hard.
not hard. It's just gonna be a slightly different approach here. We're going to draw on the side of our page here, to the top and to the top right. See this area? We're going to draw a little triangle, and that's Tag's horn. A rounded triangle. Do you have that? Okay. So from here, from the horn, we're going to go like a little dip shape going up, and a bigger shape there to up, and a higher little wave. But I'm gonna leave two spaces, so watch me. So from here, down, up, stop, leave a space there, carry on below the space, come down here and stop. Do you have that? Yeah, you do. From the other side of the horn, drawing another shape and stop. Up here, those spaces are for his ears. One ear,
2 years.
2 ears. That's his 2 ears. That's cute. And now look at his eyes are 2 circles that's joined.
Yeah.
So watch me. So I'm gonna draw. But instead of closing the circle, I'm gonna continue and make another one and join it. And 2 pupils. Got his pupil. And a big smile, but we're gonna double up this line because we're gonna color it in. You got that? Okay, follow me. A line straight down.
Oh me.
Another line straight down. That's his body. A bit of a line going to the right, just a touch.
Yeah.
And leave a space, and you can continue across. Now we draw his arm down there. His arm just fits down there. So down beyond his arm, beyond the depth of his arm, come lower down. And another one lower than his arm. And we're going to come in here, leave a space for a leg, make the bit between his legs, and leave another space for the other leg. And then, so look here, there we go. That. And up there. So there's 2 spaces. Yeah, your spaces is better. Okay, there we go. Now, down, come around and back up. 1 leg, down, come around, back up. 2 legs. And a line across, and another line across. He's got little shoes or feet or socks or hooves. And look here.
Yeah.
So behind his arm. Doesn't cross over his arm, it goes behind his arm. And that's his belt. And that's Tag the Rhino. You're done. You got it. That's a really cute drawing, my boy.
Yeah, but it's so
So Tag's colors. His mouth seems to be pink. His horn is green color. I've got more than one green here.
and the pants.
His pants is brown, is it?
A little bit darker red.
A darker red or brown. That looks like a darker red. And he's got orange. Orange for his
and
belt and his shoes. So I'm gonna color in his mouth. Here we go. So you can color.
I might to color.
Okay, so what I do to color, you need to keep going in the same direction. So you can't go like this, then like this, then like that. If you're gonna go up and down, you keep going up and down, and then it looks neater. So if you're gonna go up and down like here, like there, you keep going in that direction, and you make sure you cover all the white of the paper. You make sure you get all the white of the paper, and you keep going up and down. But you can start again, apply some pressure to get the color out, and see what I'm doing. Same direction here on the mouth. I'm going up and down. and I'm pressing a bit hard on the crayon, on the coloring pencil. Okay, so here we go. We speed this up. And there we have it, everybody. That's tag that I know. Easy, your color came out much nicer since you're going in the same direction. We must actually, we should do a little video showing everybody how to color nicely, so that if we look at the Betty drawing, you can see that you went in different directions over here, and in this drawing you went in one direction and the color looks flatter and more uniform. Yeah, and if you try to go over that, you can improve on that. That looks nice. But anyway, that's how tag that I know.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
and have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Bye.